In this video, I'll show you how to add a shared mailbox to the Outlook app and how to send email from that shared mailbox using a unique signature. We have here the Outlook app open just on the screen here. And now if you can either tap your first name initial at the top left or just swipe from the left to the right. And you should see your account here. This assumes that you already added your Microsoft 365 account here. So you can either click the plus sign right there at the top left under your first account, or just hit the gear icon at the bottom left and click add mail account. And we don't want to add a new account or create a new account. We want the second option, add shared mailbox. Okay, so now you type in what's the email address of that shared mailbox. So in this example, it's just hello@chipperny.co. So you type that in, click add shared mailbox. All right, so here in the mail accounts, we already see that we have this shared mailbox, and it also denotes that it is a shared mailbox. So let's close this. And now what actually has happened is in this new view, I see both my inbox and the shared mailbox together. So you can change that again by either hitting this home icon, which now indicates you're looking at everything, or just swipe from the left to the right. So if you hit this globe at the top left, this combines all accounts that you have. So you might even have other accounts and shared mailboxes. It shows you all of them in line. Now, if you just want to see them separately, go back to this sidebar menu. And that H right there, right, that's the hello mailbox now. You could double check by just swiping back. And now you see that that's the one that's selected. That's the one you're working in. You can see all the folders that it has. And you can take action now. You can swipe to take action on this email in the shared mailbox. Okay, and it gives you some tips here. But you can see who it's sent to. It says to Hello Chipperny, which is the name of that shared mailbox. Okay, it's sent to you, it says, but it's a shared mailbox, right? And that's all. Now, let's say you want to send an email with the email being the shared mailbox address. So right now we're in all mail. We can go new mail here. Then you click at the top, right? It's showing you who it's sending from. So we actually want to change it. And this is actually the same shared mailbox. It just has a secondary domain on it. Not to confuse you there. But so now we're sending from this shared mailbox, the hello mailbox. As you can see, it has this default signature made from the Outlook app. Now, we don't want that, right? And we also don't want to delete this and change it for every message that we send. So let's close this first. And let's go swipe from the left to your right, hit the gear icon. We want to scroll down to signature under the mail heading. And this should be turned on by default per account signature, but if it's not, just toggle it on. And I'll find the shared mailbox, which is this one right here. And we can just customize this to say whatever we need to. Let's just say this is, right. Now you can add a website here, phone, whatever else you need to, and just click the check mark. Okay, so now we have for that account, we have a unique signature. We can close this, new mail. You can either select here, right? So by default, when you're in all mail, it selects your personal, your work email, but you select by default your shared mail, it'll do so when you're in a shared mailbox. See, it correctly selects the correct shared mailbox. So now you see this signature is that custom signature that we just made. And now as a bonus, since you added this shared mailbox, you also have a shared calendar, right? So let's dismiss this for a second. So in this calendar, if I make a new event, right now by default, it's selecting the personal calendar, right, from that primary account. But you see right under it, it has the calendar from the shared mailbox. So you can go ahead and whoever you're sharing this with, maybe you have an office shared calendar, something like that for the whole team. You can actually create events directly in here in the mobile app without having to invite people separately if you don't need to. And this way everyone can edit and modify this event if needed. If this worked for you, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.